Hey guys, my name's Omnia. This is Omnia's Wish. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello. My name is Omnia. This is my last ManiXMe box. I did prepay 6 months, and if you've noticed, I don't really stamp a lot because I really haven't gotten the hang of it. I didn't get last month's. Last month would have been my last box, but I skipped it. I looked at the sneak peek and I really wasn't feeling it. But this one, I really did feel. So I said, yeah, I'll take it. I do have, I have earned a free box. So I don't know if I have to use that next month or if I can hold on to it. But we'll see. What's this called? Splashing Around Manicure Tutorial. I like these cards. I keep them just in case I need them. We got a rose quartz little palette thing. I have that put away because I got other palettes. I have that in my giveaway drawer. And these things that go around your finger for when you stamp or do a smushy or that sponging stuff. It doesn't get all over your skin. So that's that. I like this one. The colors were nice and it looks like water marble. I tried water marbling 2 weeks ago. It was a disaster. Hold on. It comes like this. Oh my god. Sorry. Just in case it was just somebody that's new that stumbles across this video. You get these little pineapple gummies. You get 2 exclusive plates. 2 nail polishes that will be released the following month. And another nail art thing. So we'll start with the nail art thing, which are these water slide decals that go on your nails. I think they're pretty. Don't know if I want to open them. If I can open it without ripping it, I will. If not, I think it shouldn't be taped. Oh, there's 2 of them in here. Oh, I like the second one. Those are pretty. These are good for accent nails. That's the way I look at it. Alright, I'm not going to waste time. So, the gummies, those things are delicious. Let me get this nail polish box open because it's up. Oops, sorry. You always get a stamping guide. This should only come with the first box. It's a waste of paper. Come on, Maniology, get with it. I understand it's recyclable, but it should only come with like a starter kit. These are the polishes. Look at that hollow in this gold. It's called Liquid Sunshine. Gonna focus? Probably not. You're just gonna have to believe me on that one. Beautiful yellow, metallic blue, called Double Bubble. There's like a water theme to this, and it is water marble. Look it. Sorry about the ring light. So this kind of looks like that bubbly effect. Like, oh, stupid ring light. Or the acrylic cells or whatever it's called. Let me see. Twink. See if that helps. What's that flickering? So yeah, this one looks like a water marble. These look like those cells or whatever that's called, but ooh, there looks like a little print right there. Those are pretty, 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 pretty. I'm happy to have these. These are the water marble ones. And it comes with like one long one. So you could get a couple, you could probably get at least 4 fingers out of that one. And this is the petal that everybody goes for when they're trying to make that. And that's the other pointy thing. I really like this. I really like it. I really like it. I really like it. So I'm just going to prep and we're going to swatch the tops because I will be using this in an upcoming collab, I believe. I had it planned in my head. So I'll be right back. We'll swatch. Okay, I just wanted to show you something really quick. I got the water marble one down here, but it says that these were stamping plates designed to mimic water marbling and the soap bubble nails without stress of the mess. So the other one was the soap bubbles. Well, I don't know what the hell I was talking about, spritzing it with alcohol or something, or cells or whatever. But yeah, and I think these were subscriber exclusive. That means if you're a subscriber. Group. Look, I forgot the stamp. I'd lose my head if it wasn't attached. I'd lose my head. This is their monocle stamper. Can you tell how bad I was at first? I was trying to stamp with this, with the lid. Nick. I know, that makes me chuckle sometimes when I think about it. So we're going to start with Liquid Sunshine, which is a gorgeous. Which one should I do? I'll do this one. Using a Born Pretty scraper. I'm moving really slow, which is not good. It picked up. And we're gonna plop it down. It's not bad over black. It looks great over white. But for a yellow, that looks pretty damn good over black. Okay. Just gonna roll it off on my lint roller. Get that excess off. I can put this lid back on. Use the acetone. You don't want to use nail polish. I think everybody knows that, but just in case somebody who's never done it before. Sometimes nail polishes have oils in them for your nails. And you don't want oil on your plate. And this beautiful blue, and I'm going to go with this one. I saw Guyleen do it, and I think she painted her nails blue with this, and when she stamped it with yellow over top, it was like a greenish color. Lots of glittery goodness in that one. Look at that pickup. Perfect. Now, if I could only pick up like that when I'm trying to do my nails. Even that's not bad over black on certain angles because it's metallic. So this is, oh, if I didn't say it, this is May's ManiXMe box. And if you are a member now, if you get the the monthly subscription, and they do have a mini, which is just the plates, because the polishes will always be available the next month and you can buy them. The plates won't. But if you are a subscriber, you can go back and buy previous. They're not available to the public, but you can buy previous monthly kits. And I think you can get the plates as singles too, if you don't want to buy the whole kit. But that's only if you are a Manny and Me member. So that is this month's Manny and Me box. I will check to see if I have to use my free box next month. I hope it's just something good. The last one was like tea and crumpets or some shit like that. I don't see me putting like a cup of tea with a biscuit on my nails. This just wasn't me, but this one is, because I can't water marble. It's too messy. But this is going to be fun, because you can't place it down the wrong way. I mean, if there's a way to screw it up, I'll figure it out. It'll be the first thing I do, but really, this is the kind of stuff that's really hard to mess up. So yeah, I'm really happy with these plates, these polishes, this box, those nail vinyls. So I will leave my link down below if you want to join. You will get, I think, $5 off. That's the only like real discount code thing that I have, besides Ebates and Honey or whatever. So yep, pretty polishes. So definitely go check it out if you're not a member. If you're new to nail art, you just want to try, this is a great subscription. Yeah, so that was May's 2020. They should do one called the quarantine box. I know that sounds horrible, but what the fuck, we're all quarantined. So yeah, this is May 2020 Manny and Me box. So that's it, guys. That's all I got for you. I'm happy to have this, and I hope you enjoyed this video, even if it was just a little bit. And thanks for spending some time with me, and do all that YouTubey stuff, and have a wonderful day, and be safe out there. Wear your mask, wash your hands, don't be crazy. We need that curve freaking flattened so we can have our lives back. And it can't do that unless everybody is on board. If you got some people that are not doing it, it's never gonna go away, and we're never gonna be able to go out and have a life. So just remember that. All right, enough rambling. Bye.